Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at a replacement Palmrest keyboard touchpad combo designed for specific Lenovo Ideapad models. This particular unit is compatible with the Ideapad 330-17ISK, 330-17IKB, and 320-17IKB laptops. If you got one of these Ideapads and your Palmrest is damaged, worn out, or the touchpad is acting up, this could be a lifesaver. The product comes as a single piece, which includes the Palmrest, keyboard, and touchpad. This simplifies the replacement process, as you don't have to fiddle with separating and reassembling individual components. The manufacturer highlights that this replacement is made with exquisite technology and adheres strictly to standard size processing and manufacturing. This is crucial for ensuring a stable fit and long lifespan. A poorly fitting Palmrest can lead to discomfort while typing, and a subpar touchpad can be incredibly frustrating to use. Before you click that buy button, double-check the part numbers. This replacement is listed as compatible with part numbers AP19D000500, 5CB0 R20161, and 5CB0 N96198. Verifying these numbers against your original part will help prevent any compatibility issues. Installation is described as easy, which is always a plus. However, it's worth noting that easy is subjective. If you're comfortable disassembling laptops and have some experience with ribbon cables and connectors, you should be fine. If you're not, it might be wise to consult a professional or watch a detailed tutorial video before attempting the replacement yourself. There are plenty of resources online that can guide you through the process, step by step. A key thing to consider is the overall quality and feel of the replacement. While manufacturer claims exquisite technology, it's hard to gauge the tactile experience without physically using the product. The keyboard's key travel, the touchpad's responsiveness, and the Palmrest texture all contribute to the overall user experience. User reviews and feedback can be invaluable in this regard. Look for comments about the keyboard's typing feel, the touchpad's accuracy, and the Palmrest durability. In conclusion, this replacement Palmrest keyboard touchpad combo appears to be a viable option for those looking to restore or repair their Lenovo Ideapad 330-17ISK, 330-17IKB, or 320-17IKB. Just remember to verify the part numbers, assess your comfort level with laptop repairs, and research user reviews before making a purchase.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.